We're going to start with a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to take a fork and we're going to mix that all together. Want to make sure it's pretty well combined. And then we set it aside. And we're going to add a cup and a half of mashed bananas, which was about, for small medium bananas, it was about 3.5 bananas. To that, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter that we've allowed to cool, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to add 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of milk. We'll turn the mixer on. You can add nuts to these, but my wife has an allergy, so we don't put nuts in anything she's going to eat. Now we're going to add about half of the flour. And we'll let that mix for a few seconds. And then we'll add the remaining flour. And we'll let that mix until it's well incorporated. Scrape down the sides a little bit. And we'll remove the bowl and we'll finish stirring it by hand just to make sure there's no dry chunks on the bottom. Now comes the fun part. We get to make the mess of putting these in the cups. I actually did pretty good here. I only spilled over 1 cup, just a little bit. 2 cups. And from here they're going in the oven, which is a 425-degree oven, and they're going to bake for 16 to 18 minutes. We'll see you when they're out. Here we have a delicious banana muffin. Warm right out of the oven. Thanks for watching. See you next video.